Mga kababayan!
Hello guys!
Hello, we're Canada Day.
Hello.
Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day, July 1, 2026 yan. Happy Canada Day po. It's sa Edmonton. See you guys! Kaming adventure today. Ayan, sasakay na sila. Nag-harness na.
See.
Wrap tightly on you. First, you been up before?
Yes.
Sasakay sila dun, oh. Nasa angat doon, yan. Unang adventure nila. Eh, siya yun. Are you okay, Gabi?
Yeah.
Good.
Very quickly.
Well, I can tell you. There's no need to be nervous because it's so awesome up there. You have so much fun.
Na. Apa na? Are you okay, Sayan? Oh. That's good.
Thank you.
Hold. Ayun na.
Dayan, kuya.
Ayan, taas niyan, di ko kaya yan. Sila na lang, oh. Diba, tapang nila, no? Nandun na sila sa taas, aakyat na. Mga garbage. Ito po ay libre para sa mga bata. Sa Canada Day, maraming ganito dito. Program. Hindi ko kaya yan. Grabe yun. Oh, taas na yan, oh. Oh. Actually, hindi, nasisilaw ako. Hindi ko na makita. Ayan na sila. Oh. Ay, galing, oh. Tingnan si Kuya. Look her face. Ay. Okay. Hello. Sige, go. Andar tayo?
No.
This is the bus
This is
ride.
the bus ride sa Edmonton bus. St. Albert pala ito. No?
That's the ride. That's the ride.
Sit down. You okay, Kuya?
Pull the string. I can stop it.
They have camera now. See?
Is that working?
No, because it's stuck.
Halika na. Go to the another adventure. This one, ayan o. Go inside the car. Dali, the truck. Oh, wow. That's for adventure for today. Para sa mga bata. Okay. Galing ano? Run, Trey, go! Go, Sayon! Kuya lang daw. Hi! Oh. Galing ah. Ganda, Happy Canada Day.
Libre to.
Libre lahat yan oh. May pabanda pa, naririnig yung music. Every year po ito, Happy Canada Day. Try? Oh. Wow! Thank you!
And even
Four!
remember, you get gummies.
Wow! Gummy! Free! Thank you!
Do you need one too? Do you need a mic?
Yeah.
Yeah, what the heck?
Thank you!
I'm getting it already.
Thank you!
Spin. And also,
Oh,
you
nice!
get a bike now.
Oh, thank you!
Yes.
Thank you! Di ba dahil pa free, di ba? Oh. May banda pa. Tingin mo kay mami. Bata. Happy Canada Day. Galas 10 ng umaga. May free cookies pa oh. Diba? Thank you. Get one sayang. Thank you. Free cookies. Free stuff po. Tingnan nyo guys. Ito pa oh. Pero din to oh. Hi. Yan.
Sana may sticker pala yung tattoo.
Ah.
Akin na, ayaw mo na. Ilalagay ko yung red, yung cookie ni Kuya.
Doon tayo sa loob ha. Doon tayo sa loob. Parang uulan na. Ha? Oh, okay. Doon tayo sa loob. Loob. Anong tawag dyan, mami?
Scavenger hunt.
Scavenger hunt. Tapos may free candy para sa mga bata. Two down. Tinkerbell. Okay.
Alberta. Exactly, so you just wait on the page.
Wow, daming tao. Happy Canada Day. Ayun oh.
Alberta daw yun.
Ah, hindi ba yun?
Alam niya na, map.
Ah.
Good job.
Happy Canada Day, mami.
There's gonna be a thunderstorm.
And
Thunderstorm.
they're gonna
oh.
have fun.
Are you done na?
I'm going to thunder.
And thank you. Oh. Look oh. Ang dami tao. Wow. Happy Canada Day. Find the flag, mami. Hanapin mo may flag dito sigurado. Ano naman to? Ayan, may magpe-perform pala dito mamaya oh. Sasayaw, may kakanta.
Better gonna go here later.
Maybe. Ano, pagod na kayo?
Getting tired.
Very tired. Pagod na po sila.
Daming tao.
Ang aking pamilya. Pagod na isa ko.
Daming tao, guys. Happy Canada Day. Thank you, Canada.
Thank you, Canada.
How many more flags?
Ma! Go, kuya! Go, kuya! Whoa! Whoa! Yay, kuya! And get the prize! Hihingi tayo ng libreng cookies, guys.
Walk down.
Pick one, only one, okay? Just pick one.
Try natin. Ano?
Oh, you already touched this one?
Yeah, take that one over. Leo. Just one. So just pick the one you want. Just one. Which one? Okay, grab it.
Matagal naman na rin.
Thank you. Come.
Can I have some? Hi. Thank you. Guys, yun. Cookies. Sarap.
If you're here just for the first time, welcome to our meeting. We have an album that is out. This album is available on
Me. A police officer? A picture?
Yeah, like most of them. That's a ceremonial uniform.
Let's go.
I want to climb and
Oh, you wanna see them?
You want? Okay, just wait.
Sakay daw siya. Sakay.
Gusto rin namin. Yeah.
Wait, happy picture lang kita. How are you?
good.
Good. Pero picture ha, wait lang. Are you happy? Happy na? Okay. Let's go. That's it for the day.
You're hot though.
Ano, uwi na tayo or ano?
It's okay, it's okay.
Ang Hanggang sa muli guys, kami uuwi na. Salamat sa araw ng Canada Day.
Salamat, Canada.
Salamat Canada at napunta kami dito.
Grateful, thankful, and blessed.
Napaka-blessed. Napaka-blessed namin dahil napunta kami sa Canada. Okay, you go.
I'm joking, I'm joking.
Iba na ba? Go. Magkano yan? Sige, go. Ayaw naman.
Free. Finders keepers.
Okay. Na kami guys. Tapos na ang Canada Day. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Happy Canada Day. Bye-bye.